Morning, we're going to look at imaginary numbers, adding and subtracting them. Let's go ahead and write down PEMDAS, just so we know that that's always what we're going to use. Now, let's look at exponents in particular. I want you to realize that a root is also an exponent. So in this case, it's number 1, 8i plus 3i minus I. We're collecting like terms right here, and so it's going to be 10i. Right here, you're going to look at the square root of negative 36 plus the square root of 121. Let's go ahead and break this up. I know that I'm going to take out the negative, so it's going to give me an I. So perfect squares. I'm going to take the root of each. So I'm going to have 6i plus 11i, 17i. Alright, let's look at number 3. I have the square root of negative 5 plus the square root of negative 45. We're going to simplify by taking out the negative. We're also going to simplify by looking at the roots, which one has a perfect square. Square root of 5 plus 3i square root of 5. So then you're going to say, collect both terms, 4i times the square root of 5. Number 4 is going to be negative 3 times 2i plus 5i. So again, we're going to use PEMDAS. Okay, we have number 5. I times the square root of 2 minus 3 times the square root of negative 8. I square root of 2 minus 3i square root of 8. I square root of 2 minus 3i. We're going to expand 4 times 2. This right here is a perfect square. Square root of 2 minus 6i square root of 2. Collect like terms, negative 5i square root of 2. Is going to be 6 times the square root of negative 27 minus the square root of negative 48. I'm going to look at these, so negative square root of 27 root of 48. You're going to look for the perfect squares. Times 9 times 3 underneath, and 48 breaks down to square root of 3 square root of 3 times I square root of 3. So we're going to say the square root of negative 9 minus the square root of negative 81. This is going to be 3i minus 9i. We're simplifying, and it's going to be negative 6i. Now you have number 8. We're going to have I. We're going to expand 36 times 2 minus the I, square root of 18. We're going to take this out. This is a perfect square. So we're going to say 6i times the square root of 2. Now we're going to mess with this right here. Minus I, expand it. 9 times 2, 6i square root of 2 minus 3i square root of 2. We're going to collect like terms. We can only collect like terms when the roots are the same, so we're going to say 3i square root of 2. That is our solution. Alright, see you in class.